Hi guys! Today we are making a video review of an interesting tattoo machine that has a convenient form factor, especially for woman's hand. The pen is wireless, has a very powerful motor, and that's not all. We are going to talk about Biomaser U1 from Biomaser. The tattoo machine can surprise you, so I recommend stay until the end of the video. This is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They help you choose equipment for your hand, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me and my channel when you subscribe to the channel and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So, right now, subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video is a subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. The official website informs that the company's Biomaser brand is from San Francisco, USA, with production in China. The company was founded in 2002 in Changsha. Their products include tattoo machines, tattoo needles, spare parts, tattoo furniture, and pigments. Biomaser clients are from USA, Canada, Great Britain, Germany, Poland, China, Russia, and Turkey. Biomaser products also have international certificates, for example, FCC, SIA, and CE. I start with the packaging. It has a beautiful Tiffany or mint color. The box has a name, our tattoo machine, Biomaser U1, and its image. Also, we are seeing information that the pen is wireless. Colored stickers are colored with a tick. Let's open and I'm gonna to show you machine's color. Inside, Biomaser business card, instruction card for the power supply. You can charge it with a charger of no more than 5 volts. Instruction in English for our tattoo machine. Everything is neat in individual bags and boxes with logos. Our kit has additional wireless battery, Type-C charging cable. This kit doesn't have power adapter. I use a power adapter from my iPhone. And Biomaser U1. The color is the same as the box of paints, Tiffany or mint. The first impression is that the tattoo machine is lightweight, has a glossy body, a ring for charging the needle stroke with a logo. We will definitely talk about this. Length 130 millimeters. Now let's talk about the characteristics of Biomaser U1. In the technical specifications, the machine weight is 102 grams. We cannot do without scales. On the scales is 102 grams, and this is a very good weight, despite the fact the machine is wireless. The pen has a convenient form factor, it's light and thin on my hand, has not windage, has a good size ratio. The narrow grip feels like a ballpoint in your hand. Biomaser U1 presented some colors: Tiffany or mint, black, gold, bright pink and powder pink. There are two types of kit, as in our video reviews with an additional wireless battery and the kit with two wireless batteries with an RCA connector. Both sets are priced at $219. Now it's summer 2024. The tattoo machine is very comfortable for my woman's hands, but it has a very powerful motor. Operating voltage is from 3 to 12 volts. The device can work with various permanent makeup techniques, and you can work with tattoo, especially with mini and micro ones. The intuitive display screen. Simple operation with 3 buttons. Hold this button 2-3 seconds and turn on or turn off our tattoo machine. On the screen you see information about the charge and operating voltage. The buttons with arrows change the working voltage. On the screen also has one more value, M1. This is one of the features of Biomaser U1 for modes for your work. Watch the video until the end and I will tell you about it in detail. The Biomaser allows you to choose a needle stroke from 2 to 3.5 mm, despite of its size. To change the stroke you don't need a key or removal of an engine part, just with the ring on the body. Our number should match the arrow, but I recommend doing this with gloves on, so your fingers don't slip. The company informs that a single battery provides 4-6 hours of work. 2 batteries are 12 hours of work. It depends on your operating voltage that you use while working. And now for modes for your work. Turn on pen. On the screen we are seeing M1. This is the first operating mode, standard classic needle fit. We work with this mode with lips, eyebrows, eyelids, mini tattoo, areola, scars. If you want to change mode, we press start button twice. And we are seeing M2, intermittent mode. The needle will go and stop regularly, which allows starters to clearly know the effect and adjust in time. The device operates for some seconds. After some seconds it rests, pauses and starts feeding the needle again. Press start the button twice again and we are seeing M3. Gradual mode. The line color will gradually change from dark to light, which helps starters finish the gradual color of pattern better. I think these functions must help with liner work for smooth entry and exit from the skin, for example with hair stroke technique. Write in your opinion in the comments about M2 and M3 mode. What do you think? The latter PS, dot for trichopigmentation. In this mode you can adjustable speed and force of your needle. When our tattoo machine turns on, you press buttons with arrows and increase or decrease the number of hertz on the screen. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip without locking clicks. The device has some needle strokes, therefore the needle protrusion will be different. In the instructions, the needle protrusion is up to 4 mm, but after my tests, I don't recommend working at the maximum 4 mm because the maximum needle stroke here is 3.5 mm. The pigment won't flow well while you're working. You will want to press on the surface of your client's skin. You can deliver the pigment deeper than the necessary and make more injury. I recommend the maximum needle protrusion for quality work is 3.3 mm. Crisp diameter is 22 mm, but near the cartridge is 17 mm. The holder is completely removable and it must sterilize. Of course, compatible with many cartridges. Let's turn on our pen. I'm going to work with pinky cartridges from also Biomaser company. The review of them will definitely be on my channel in the near future. Don't miss. Turn on. I use the needle stroke 3.5, my working voltage 5. Let's go. There is a slightly noticeable vibration and noise of the working machine. Of course, I am not comparing with induction machine, but with other pens for permanent makeup and tattoo. But it doesn't bother me, because Biomaser U1 has comfortable form factor. Let's sum up our video review, guys. The company's Biomaser brand is from San Francisco, USA, with production in China. Biomaser U1 has a slightly noticeable vibration, but it has a convenient form factor. Pen is light, thin on my hand, has not windage, and has good size ratio. Operating voltage is from 3 to 12 volts. The device can work with various permanent makeup techniques, and you can also work with tattoo, areolas, scars, and trichopigmentation. Tattoo machine can work in different modes and has several needle stroke options, from short stroke to hybrid. Each artist is able to choose your impact force for a specific task. Biomaser U1 is well for PMU artists, which only beginner to work, and professionals. I will leave links where you can buy this device from video description. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.